Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Today I will show you how you can set up email account on your Android device. So at the start, check that you have a Gmail app. You should have it defaultly on your Android device, but if you don't have to, just open Play Store and log in to the Google account and download Gmail. So after that, open this app. Then click here. Now tap on the Done and add an email address. Then choose your email provider, in my case it will be Google Chrome. And now you have to log in into your Google account. If you don't have, just click on the Create account for myself and complete the form. But if you have my Google account, just simply log in here. Type your email, then type your password, so give me a second. Click Next. Click Next again. And decide that you want to turn on the backup. Now agree the terms. And accept the backup as storage. And that's it. Now you can use your new email account. Just tap on the Take me to the Gmail. Skip again. And that's it. Thanks for the watching. Leave us a subscribe, a comment, and goodbye.